Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running Windows 11 and want to make sure your system is clean from hidden threats, this video is for you. Today I will show you how to run the built-in Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool step by step, so let's dive in. First thing first, what exactly is Malicious Software Removal Tool? It's a free security utility from Microsoft that scans your PC for specific malware threats and helps to remove. It's not a full antivirus, but it's an extra layer of a protection for your Windows PC. Now let's see how to run it manually in Windows 11. Press Windows and R, type MRT, click OK. As you can see, Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool window is open. Click Next. Here you have to choose the scan type. You will see three options: quick scan, default, and more faster. Full scan takes longer time. Customize scan, choose the specific folder. Select the one that suits your needs and click Next. Let it run. You can continue using your PC, but it may slow down a bit during a full scan. So my suggestion is to run a full scan if you suspect something suspicious on your PC. Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool runs automatically once a month with Windows Update. But if you have recently downloaded something on your PC and your PC is acting weird, it's good idea to run it manually. So, and that's it. A quick and easy way to give your PC a security checkup using a tool you already have in Windows 11. If you found this helpful, give it thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in comments what other Windows 11 tutorials you would like to see. See you in the next video.